What's up, YouTube? Kainu back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use this USB microphone with your cell phone to record videos and do whatever you want to do with it. But we're getting started right now. So to actually make this work, you need three things. So the first thing you need is the lightning port adapter. I personally got this little cheapo one from Amazon. It's a USB right here, as you can see, to lightning adapter. You have to make sure that it is Apple certified. I'll show one on screen now that is Apple certified. The next thing you're going to need is your actual USB microphone right here. And then the final thing you're going to need is a iPhone right here that is iPhone 11 or newer. It's not going to work on an iPhone X or an XR or anything before that. It only works post iPhone 11. So iPhone 11 and newer. So if you're watching this video and you don't have that, currently I don't know a workaround for anything newer, but this is how you do it for iPhone 11 and newer. So now you should have all three devices that you need to do this. So you're going to grab your USB from your microphone. You're going to grab your adapter. You're going to go ahead and plug it in. And then you're going to go ahead and plug it into your actual iPhone. Keep in mind, you do need an iPhone 11 or newer to do this. Once you plug it into your actual iPhone, you may get a prompt that says, is this a pair of headphones? If you get that prompt, you're going to want to click on other device and not say that this is a pair of headphones. So make sure you click on other device. But let's hop over to my phone and see how my actual USB microphone sounds on my phone. So now we're over on my cell phone. I'm now using my USB microphone on my cell phone. I'll put it up to my mouth closer so you guys can hear.
Hello, hello, hello.
And then it just sounds a lot better, in my personal opinion, than the onboard microphone on your phone. So if you really want to up the quality, I would definitely recommend doing this. If you have any other questions, drop them down in the comment section. And then don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to take it easy.